What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Doing It with Jason. I'm Jason, and today we're going to be talking about how to make wood bigger. And as always, I am an open book here to help you guys for any woodworking questions you may have. Not saying I know everything, not even close, but I have had a cabinet shop and a furniture business for the last 12 years, and I've been totally making it work and just learning a lot along the way that I'd be more than happy to help you with in the meantime. And before we get started, we have a comment of the week. That's right. One of my favorite things is reading all the comments I get from you guys, the viewers, any questions you may have, and some of them that just come along are just downright amazingly awesome questions. This comment of the week comes from H. Collier. Hopefully I said it right. Hard to take you seriously wearing that hoodie. What hoodie, H? And what's with that dust mask? That does nothing to protect you from solvent vapors. He's actually very right. The added effects and noises just add annoying to the flavor of this video. Well, H, I had no idea a video even had a flavor, and for that, you are awesome. And if any of you guys have any comments or questions, please let them down below. They could be fun, they could be silly, they could be real questions. I have real answers that I'm ready to give. So how do you make wood bigger? Right here is the answer. This here is a corrugated fastener. But there's a story behind this corrugated fastener before I show you what it does, and that was my old boss, the guy who got me into cabinet making. His name was George. That's about as far as I'm gonna go with that. While working with him for a couple years, I was new to the sport, no idea what I was doing with woodworking, just knew I wanted to do it. Probably much like you guys. I just really enjoyed working with my hands, building things. It was just a lot of fun. So anytime the job would call for using a corrugated fastener, George would say, "Hey Jason, go grab me the Jew nailer." So for years, I'm grabbing George the Jew nailer. Come to find out, when I went to start my own business and was looking for a Jew nailer, I was told that is not a Jew nailer. They actually said, "Sir, what you need is a corrugated fastener," and handed me this. And I was like, whoa, thank you. I wonder why he called it a Jew nailer. And then I got it, because you're putting boards together, and I think the joke amongst Jewish things is like, you know, they're cheap, I guess. So therefore, my boss was he racist? Would that be racism? I don't know what he was, but he called this a Jew nailer, made me call it a Jew nailer. I had no idea it was not a Jew nailer. So don't go buying a Jew nailer, buy a corrugated fastener. Basically what it is it's a nail gun, air operated, usually like 90 PSI, whatever. And then you're gonna get these corrugated fastener pieces that go inside the machine like that. And see, it's got one in there, and it fell out. It's kind of upside down and backwards. But yeah, there's a pointed side and a flat side that you can look at very carefully. And then you will slip into it like so, pop that back in there. You are locked and loaded, ready to rock and roll. So what it does is, cue up the video. So right here, I'm corrugating, fastening this piece of plywood. What it comes in handy for is when you have plywood that's only 8 feet long, but say you need 16 feet long. You can slice a little bit off, put it together, glue it, and corrugate it together, and bam, look at that. Now it's 16 feet long. Amazing. Why would you want that? Because sometimes you need long wood. You know, it helps. Is it gonna be the strongest thing in the whole wide world? No. Put some support under it. It's made for like a clean, you know, maybe a countertop, a shelf. It's not for just, you know, hey, let's corrugate this and stand up 4 dudes on it and watch it break. No, it's not gonna hold up a house, but it's gonna hold up and look cool for your project when you use it correctly. And that's about it. Nice little quick video about corrugated fasteners. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. That's what I do. That's all I do is answer comments. So, you know, leave some. If you only see 2, shoot, send me like 5 of them so I have something to do. I'm getting bored here. All right, well, until next time, I'm Jason. We'll see you later. Happy woodworking. Yeah.